student, after completing preparation of aryl halide, now and effect of substituent, and then we are going to shifting to mechanism part. So we know aryl halide undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. That we have taken is one example, and that example showing this aryl halide undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. NaOH at high temperature and pressure. Okay, pressure and aqueous solution of NaOH. When this chlorobenzene treated with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide at a high pressure and high temperature, giving this product phenol. Okay, so this reaction clearly indicates that what chlorobenzene or aryl halide show aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. This is the substitution reaction, and OH minus ion from NaOH replacing Cl minus from benzene ring. Okay, so this is aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we want to study its mechanism, how this reaction take place. Okay, so scientists have suggested many reaction, and one of the many mechanism for this reaction, but one of them is most accepted mechanism for aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is benzene mechanism. What is this benzene mechanism? Now we will discuss this topic, benzene mechanism, that is included in your syllabus. Now see, consider one example. Consider the reaction of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene when this bromobenzene treated with sodium amide, sodamide, or we can take potassium amide, NaKH2 base, conjugated base at some reaction condition are there. Then in presence of ammonia, liquid ammonia, okay, and temperature, I think low temperature is there, so giving the product NH2 get attached to the benzene ring, okay, and NaBr, okay, like this. So what happened in this reaction? This NH2 minus, actually this role of this reagent is to provide NH2 minus, means nucleophile. Okay, this nucleophile which is produced by this reagent NaNH2 get replacing Br minus from the benzene ring. So it is an example of aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now by taking this example, we will try to explain or discuss the mechanism. That mechanism is known as benzene mechanism. Okay, why it is called the benzene mechanism? Because during this reaction, benzene reaction intermediate form. We know benzene. This is benzene, one of the reaction intermediate, like carbocation, carbanion, free radical, then carbene, nitrene, and one more reaction intermediate is benzene. This is benzene. Benzene have been produced during this reaction. Therefore, this mechanism of this reaction is known as named as benzene mechanism. We will see actually the reaction or mechanism of this reaction. There is replacement of halogen atom by NH2. Okay, NH2 group, NH2 minus. Okay, so sodamide, just this NH2 minus group replacing Br minus from benzene ring. So this is the reaction. Now this mechanism of this reaction have been divided into two parts. two-step reaction. Okay, there are two steps involved in this reaction. Okay, so step 1 is elimination step, and step 2 is addition step. Okay, so see what happened during this reaction. Now first consider this reagent NaNH2 will going to produce Na plus and NH2 minus. Okay, that is nucleophile. Okay, now what happened, this nucleophile is conjugated basic in nature, and that nucleophile involved in this reaction, that is now step 1, that is known as elimination step. What happened during this reaction? See, consider this reagent substrate bromobenzene like this and hydrogen atom. Okay, now this NH plus NH minus will abstracting hydrogen atom from adjacent carbon atom. This is the carbon atom to which bromine attached, and these are the two adjacent carbon atom where hydrogen atom present. Okay, both are adjacent, both are same, therefore we consider this, and then producing this, and then like this minus Br minus, there is elimination of Br minus. Okay, so we are getting benzene. So in step 1, in this step, this NH2 minus will abstract H plus from this ortho position, okay, in the bromobenzene, and giving negative ion, and then negative ion will involve in the reaction and Br minus depart side by side. So the producing this intermediate, that is known as benzene. So this is the step 1 involved in benzene reaction, benzene mechanism, that is elimination step. There is elimination of H from this carbon and Br from this carbon. So there is elimination of H and Br plus producing ammonia. Okay, NH2 minus and H plus, that is producing ammonia. Okay, so this is step 1. In step 1, benzene form. Okay, then in next step, step 2. In step 2, again second species of NH2 minus will going to attack. Step 2 is known as addition step. Okay, we are going to attack to one of the carbon atom here, where triple bond is present. In triple bond, in benzene, one carbon triple bond is present inside the ring. Okay, so both the carbon atom are same, therefore this NH2 minus nucleophile will going to attack to one of the carbon atom and producing negative ion. Here, and then this negative ion abstract proton from ammonia. Like, so this is the product. Okay, so there is replacement of Br minus by NH2 minus. So it is aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this whole mechanism is known as benzene mechanism. Why it is called as benzene mechanism? Because benzene as a one of reaction intermediate form during the reaction. Okay, so this type of reaction of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction involve two steps. Step 1 is elimination. In this step, H and Br or halogen atom get eliminated to produce benzene in presence of NH2 minus. Okay, amide ion. Then in next step, step 2 is addition step. In this step, this NH2 minus, that is nucleophile, second species, will going to attack to the one of the carbon atom of benzyl ring having carbon-carbon triple bond. These are the two carbon where triple bond present, and both the carbon atom are identical. So this NH2 get attached to one of the carbon atom and produce this negative ion, and then this negative ion, carbanion, will going to abstract proton from ammonia and produce this product. So this is the two-step reaction, and this mechanism is called benzyl mechanism. Okay, this is the benzyl mechanism. So student, go through this mechanism and try to write and understand the whole steps involved in the benzyl mechanism. Okay, thank you very much.